Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a couple days ago I bought this charcoal sketch set. I was curious to see what it'd be like to sketch with a charcoal pencil. So I drew this largemouth bass, but I wasn't recording. So I'm going to try it again and record it this time. I hope you guys enjoy it. So here we go. So I'm starting out with a normal graphite pencil because it's easier to erase and I can put down some nice light strokes. Now I'm using the charcoal pencil. As you can tell, it goes down a lot easier and darker than the regular pencil. And if I turn the pencil horizontal to the paper, I can get some really light shadow effects. So it really just depends on which angle you put the pencil, not so much the pressure to make the shadows lighter or darker. Oops, notice that I put my thumb right on the charcoal. You got to be careful with that because charcoal is really messy and can smudge and mess up your artwork pretty quick. So charcoal is great for the fact that it's really dark and smooth, but you got to be careful that you're not touching your artwork. One thing I noticed about the paper I'm using here is that the charcoal doesn't go down as smooth as the paper on the previous bass that I drew. This is a 98-pound mixed media sketch pad. The other paper I was using was smoother, so the charcoal went on really smooth as I drew it. Now in the case of the body of this bass, I think the rougher texture of this paper actually helped it because it appears to give it scales and more texture, so I think it turned out nicely. And here I'm going to come in with my kneaded eraser to create some highlights and texture. Okay, so just some final touches with the kneaded eraser, and we're all done. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when another video like this one comes out. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.